facility.
That time
Like,
people
they
also
give
die.
like
That is not
too
good
much
for the
food
people.
and
You
they
can-
give the like
you can
good
think.
treatment.
If you
नमस्ते एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप लोग? अच्छे हैं आप लोग? बट आज मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ क्योंकि सिर दर्द है, बदन दर्द है, बॉडी पेन है, बुखार है, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा वेयर शुड आई गो, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल और प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल। आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
You should go government
गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल। So my dear, now you can see the public. My students are very excited to speak, and today is a topic debate: private hospital versus government hospital. Let's see where will I go, but today they will tell you where you should go. So 1, 2, 3, start.
Okay, so guys, hello everyone. How are you all? I'm also good. So as you know, we are going to start the game of the debate, and our topic is private hospital, and our opponent topic is government hospital. So here I am talking about the private hospital. So in the private hospital, what is you are seeing? The facilities, the wellness, and the cleanness you are seeing, but not in the government hospital. In the government hospital, you seen only the one line of the OPD or emergency. You have to just stand on the queue. Means if you have a very much like the any kind of emergency, so on that particular time you have to on the line. But in the private hospital, you can't see any kind of line. You see in the cleanness and the wellness of the people have the any
Okay, I'm
people
not
have
like agreeing with your point. First of all, like whatever you're telling about the facilities, about the OPT emergency in the private hospital, but they charge a lot. That the factor it make the private hospital very charge level. But if you go to the government hospital, they have the facility and they don't charge in the things in very less. Apart from that, if you go to the government hospital, just like in the Malvin Nagar, in the Safdarjung, if you see the facility, they have the lot of the doctor who have the good degrees.
Many hospital are this Delhi. The many hospital Max Hospital is the very popular hospital. Is the many facilities are AC facilities and winter time heater facilities is provide the basic foods and healthy food, and government hospital not provide the healthy food is
I don't think so. Government hospital can't provide the healthy food. Like private hospital just take the money and they can't provide the best treatment. But the government, you just have to wait. It is important. You have to be patient. In government, you can see there are so many facilities. They don't earn money. They don't think about the money. They just think about the treatment of patient, which is more important. And when medical facilities came, the medical education, just a student prefer the government colleges. They don't prefer private because the cost is very high, and cost is very important in every one's
Okay,
life.
so private hospital is according for is a very good, and private hospital is a many facility according for every people, and private hospital is a every rich people and go to private hospital, and private hospital is a very good medicine give of patient, and private hospital is a many types of private hospital, and private hospital is a very good facility, and private hospital.
Sorry, sir, I am not agree with your point because of you are just said like a very bullshit point, and I am just agree with point like the government hospital is too much like a very beneficial for us because of the government hospital like a doctor is too much like the qualified like the NEET qualified, he's too much educated. That's why he just belongs to like the government hospital. He just not did he just didn't find like any kind of job. That's why he just joined like the government like the private hospital. This kind of thing is too much different. That's why I'm not considered like the we are just shooting like the we should like the treatment for like the government like the private hospital. These things I also like realize, and I just cutted your point because of lot of people.
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't like your point as you said about the government hospital. If I talk about the private hospitals better than the government hospital, if you want to meet any kind of doctor and any kind of appointment, you have to give your 5 and 4 hours. And if you have like any kind of disease like heart disease, like any kind of disease, you have to wait in government hospital to meet any kind of doctor. But in private hospital, you didn't need to wait. If you take like any kind of appointment.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe you have a lot of money to spend to the private hospital, but you are not thinking about to poor people. They didn't have that much money to spend about to government. That's why they all are going about to the government hospital. And if I'm telling, there are a lot of facilities over there. They are having a lot of facilities, the medical facilities and the terms of a lot of facilities. And if I'm talking about the medical, and there are a lot of good doctor is available. If you are going about to there are a lot of good
Okay, you are talking about the talking about the money. You can earn the money, but you can't save your loved ones. I'm talking about in a government hospital. You have to wait a lot because I went there. I know, like for 5 hours, for an hour, we have to just stand to just making a receipt, and then we are going to the doctor, and then we interact with the doctor, and after interacting, we only get 5 minutes to interacting with that doctor. So I don't think so we get any kind of benefit, even though we don't able to aware about what kind of disease we are suffering. Because in a
Okay,
private,
maybe you are not aware to online appointment. If you are going with the help of online appointment, so you can get very easily about to treatment, but you are not aware about to online the appointment, because whenever we are going at the time, if you are going a government hospital, if you are taking a online the appointment,
Okay, so I
it is-
agree your point. Government hospital is best. So, but sometimes we can faces a lots of problem in the government hospitals because if I said the private hospital, so we can see the most facility because where I faces in the government hospital because we faces like many high lines for the for buying a medicines and for OPDs. There are many problem in the government hospital.
Okay,
I
so
can
the
say.
one who are saying that in the government hospital we have to wait just because the people are not that much rich in our country. They are middle class. Even I'm the middle class. So am I able to just go in the Max hospital and pay 1 lakh for the one day? I'm not able to pay 1 lakh and 2 lakh for the one day only. For some hours only we have lakhs of bills. But in the government hospital we don't need to pay that much. And we have emergency branch in the government hospital also. If someone has having an accident and it is very necessary to save that person, we have the emergency branch, and we can go there also, and we can
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not agree with your point. Like the Aarti ma'am said to the doctor is also good. If I say like that, they are like the using the abuse also like the for the patient. If I say like the patient are also like the face the mental the problems on that time they are using the abuse and they are shouting, and that is also not good. And if I say like the private sector, their facility also good, too good, and like the food is too good.
Sorry,
if I
ma'am,
say-
I'm not agree with your points because government hospital is much better as compared to private sector. Because think about those people who is not capable to.
So yeah, as you are saying about whatever about the like government hospital, like they are providing the free kind of facility. Don't think about the facility. Like we are just going for the hospital for our life surement. Like we just want to save our life. So if you want to if you are going for the government, it means that you don't want your life. And about the private, why I am supporting the private hospital, because somewhere we're getting the many things over there about the management. There we don't find any kind of crowdness kind of thing. While
So maybe
being
sir
an
you
MSc.
are not understand, like you have no knowledge about that. In India we can see lots of the people are very poor and they have no money to take one time meal.
Sorry,
how
ma'am.
they-
Sorry,
how-
ma'am.
listen to me, how they will go over like in the private hospital, and they like they have no money, so how they will get a good treatment over there. And if you go in the government hospital, so you didn't give any kind of high
ma'am
amount
ask
over
a
there,
question.
and you can see, listen
ma'am
to
ask
me,
me.
listen
Ma'am
to me,
ask
ma'am.
a question. Say कि government hospital was good, but
Listen
like
to me, ma'am.
but
Right now,
not a good
government,
government.
right now, government
but
hospital is a
government-
very, very good.
private
Listen
hospital
to
are
me.
many
By the
facility,
government-
bed facility,
by the
AC
government-
facility.
Listen-
There are cleaning.
Yeah,
very
yeah,
good,
I know.
but
I
and
know. Maybe you are not
ration
going.
card.
Maybe you
Max
are not
hospital
going in the
to ration
government
card. So
hospital. Maybe
ration
you are
card
not
to
going in the government
many
hospital,
facility are
ma'am.
free.
In the government hospital, you can see lots of the hygienic thing and need. You can go over there. The hospital is very neat and clean because government do lots of the work for the government hospital, because who people.
Okay,
are
listen
very
to
poor.
ma'am. Whatever you are telling, I don't think so. It is mandatory. So first of all, I would like to say that in the emergency line, as you are talking about, the government has the emergency line also. So you can see there has also the queue, because people have if the people have any kind of accident or any kind of emergency, that whatever, they are not seeing any kind of hospital which is like the government or a private. They are not seeing any kind of hospital. They only see the treatment. Whatever they are seeing, they are going towards only the private hospital, because they know in the private hospital they get a good amount of a treatment. but not in the government, because government we have to wait in the line, and you are saying the government
sir,
is good.
listen-
So just
sir,
listen carefully and then
Sir, if I'm speaking about the government hospital, it is too good. Why I'm saying, because we have a SG hospital about the Safdarjung. It is also best hospital about the, yeah, we can see about the crowd, but about the facilities, that is also good. I can see about
Okay,
the.
wait. Now, please don't interrupt me because I saw like guys, you are just interrupting the people. Don't let them speak. Just listen to me. You're talking about Saptajang Hospital. Did you really went there? Did you really check the facility? In the bed, there is a in a one bed, there's a two people are lying there. There's a two people in the I'm talking about the children. In the children room, if you went there, there's a two children are sitting and lying on a one bed. So this is the facility you're talking about. This is the safe. You are talking about the money. You are not talking about the life of the people. You are not talking about, because you can't earn. You can earn the money, but you can't save the life. You have to understand.
You
one thing.
have to be clear in reality life. If you're asking from doctors, so they prefer to be in government sector, they don't prefer private because they have so many pressure. They have to be clear there. They have their own schedule. They have to be complete their patient, and they have to earn money. They don't think about the patient, how they are feeling. If they are dead, they are just doing the treatment, the false treatment. But in government, the patient's life is more important than this, and if there's an emergency, so they are doing, and it is good for the patient, and they will try to help them.
I think that's why in a government hospital you're talking about, they are preferring to the life of the people and the patient. That's why they are not providing a good medicine at that time. They are just sending their, patient to outside, just purchase from that, that medical, that pharmacy, then purchase. Because I saw in a most of the time, the government hospital, most of the time they don't provide a medicine. They most of the time sending, we don't have medicine, just take from outside, just paying a money from the pharmacy. It is not a good thing.
In private hospital, they provide the money, but they are expired. They just using the new foils, and they just correcting the dates. I don't think so. You have proper knowledge about the medicines.
I don't agree with your point, because government hospital, according for, is a not good for me, and government hospital is a very bad hospital, and government hospital is a do not facility of patient, and government hospital is a not good medicine for patient,
I am
and
not
private
agree with your
hospital.
point.
Please listen to me.
Sir, I am
And
not agree
private
with your point.
hospital is a
Let
very
me speak.
facility,
Let me
and
speak.
summer
Let me speak.
summer season is a
Let me speak.
summer season is
I am not agree with your point. You can
open
see a lot
the
of
sea
facility
and-
over there in government hospital. You can see that very good facility over there. Cleanness, that time the cleanness over there, and every doctor also took a very good treatment on the over there. Like you can see the lot of department also over there for like the eyes as well as the so many department over there. You can see the operation theater, that kind of emergency situation. People go over there, took the treatment. But if I go for the private, if I go for the private hospital, you give the money, then took the treatment on the
But there
immediately.
is too much
You didn't give the
facility. If I
treatment
say
in the
like they are asking for the dating, you can go, you can see the like too much like the lining also they are like the good like the treatment is not.
Ma'am, I am not agree with your point. You can firstly you go for any kind of accident case, you go for the private hospital. Firstly, you ask for the money for the person, because you didn't give the money kind of thing to how to get the treatment. If you go for the government
They
hospital,
take a too much
people-
time on
people
that time.
go
You
for the
can see
operation.
like the lot of people are also suffering the lot of things. And if I say you have money on that, and you can go
Firstly, you
for the
listen to
private
me, ma'am.
hospital.
Firstly, you
And if I
listen to
say
me.
you have
What
money on
I'm
that
saying.
But
Firstly, you
let
listen
me
to me.
complete
What
my
I'm saying.
Let me
People are go for the any kind of injury. People are go for the government hospital, took the treatment, because the government not mind demanding any kind of money. If you go for a private hospital, firstly demanding the money kind of thing, that is not
Because
good
they
for the
give
people. That
they
time the
give
people
the
also
too much
die.
like the facility
That
also,
time
like
people
they
also
give the,
die.
like,
That is not
too
good
much
for the
food,
people.
and
You
they
can-
give the like
you
the
can
good
think.
treatment.
If you don't think that kind of thing,